let's take a look at how to do keyword clustering using Semrush. Now, if you don't already have an account, I'll leave a link down below where you can get signed up for a free trial of Semrush and be able to use all these different tools I'm going to show you right here. But once you're logged into your account, you're going to want to come over here and start with the keyword magic tool, actually. So I will come over to the keyword magic tool, and this is just under the SEO dropdown. So if you go to the SEO dropdown, you should see the keyword magic tool here. When we get to the keyword magic tool, for some reason it's already populating, but you can also just type the keyword in up top, but I like to start with the seed keyword. We'll use keto diet as the example here. You can actually put that up at the top, but they'll automatically, actually I think that would take you to the keyword overview, right? But then from there you can just switch over to the keyword magic tool if you like. And I just like this because it's kind of like a list of keywords where we can see a whole bunch of data. And you can see these green check boxes next to a bunch of these keywords here. When we add one of these keywords to our keto diet list, that is where we're going to be able to do the keyword strategy builder implementation to get the actual keyword clustering going here on the page. So of course these keyword clusters, if you open these up, it's basically just similar keywords that you would want to likely have on the same page that will rank together. So similar variations of terms that one page can rank for. It'll show you like the potential search volume for those keywords and for those clusters and on and on and on, right? So first, you need to set up a list, go through and add these keywords to your list. And then it will automatically cluster the keywords for you on your list, right? So if you have multiple lists, you can switch between lists. I actually have a second example using auto detailing. And then if we go to the strategy builder here, and then we're actually going to need to click this cluster your list. So you'll see this pop up and it will cluster the list for you so then you can see how these keywords group together. I love this feature personally because it's, takes a lot of time to go through and sort out all the different keywords and what are the categories and what are the variations of keywords you can use for keto cookies. There's chocolate chip cookies and peanut butter cookies and a low carb diet cookies. And on and on and on, right? So to do all that manually can be quite a lot of work. And then, you can, the other nice thing is when you look at these, you expand these out, you can see what your competitors are doing. So if you look at like keto cookies, we can start opening up these different pages and see, like this is a keto cookie recipe page. Okay. Right. So that's the first one there. So the second one's probably going to be the same thing here. So then we can basically see, okay, look, these are all keto cookie recipes. Let's put an even better keto cookie recipe on here. and make it even more engaging for people through, there's different tactics to do that, but you can essentially make better content than what's already here, get your page ranked through creating your own, or maybe you're like, hey, look, the keyword difficulty of that group of keywords, that cluster of keywords is too high. Let's go for something that's a little easier, like this keto blast gummies, right? Like one of the older keto blast gummies. So we can go through here and open all of these and see what those pages are talking about and create even better content to rank for those terms. So that's kind of the idea with keyword clustering. I hope you did find this helpful. If there was anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there.
If you're like most new business owners, you're probably struggling to get your online presence established, let alone get it to the point where it's bringing you a consistent flow of customers, right? So that's why I created this free course where I actually walk you step by step through the whole process of setting up your online presence. This is the same process we've been using for our clients for over a decade at one of my agencies. And essentially, I'm going to show you how to set up an SEO-friendly business name right from the get-go, how to develop your website really quickly and easily, how to set up your Google Maps listing, start getting some Google reviews, everything you need in order to have a substantial online presence where people can actually start finding you and purchasing your products or services. The best part is I'm going to show you how to do it in under a couple of hours and all for less than $50. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up today. Make sure to check this course out for free right now because I'm probably going to start charging for this at some point in the future. All right, I'll see you on the other side.